kala isu niam ni.
The government is intensifying efforts to improve National Highway 6 with an additional 90 crore tender set to be floated soon for the construction of bridges, retaining walls and other essential renovation works initially left out of the project. Sutinga Saipung MLA Santa Mary Shilla has assured that repairs and construction work along NH6 up to Malidor are on track to be completed by March 2025.
The repairing of the work in NH6 is improving quite a lot, and I had just visited the border areas recently, and I saw that there's a lot of improvement. I have seen it, they have finished till the Sonapur area. Now the work is going on from Sonapur area to Malidor, and we hope that our people will bear with us for more times, because do not worry, the government is doing their best to finish the road at the time of given to the contractors.
Meghalaya Pradesh Congress